Hi guys, Aaron from Zenkraft. Today I'll be walking you through creating a Total Return Shipments Report for the current year. So the first thing we need to do is launch Service Cloud. Once Service Cloud opens, you'll need to click Reports in the navigation bar, then swing over and click New Report. This pulls up all the different report types, but what we want is shipments with case. Type that in and you see it's the bottom option. Select that and click Continue. This screen gives you the option to add columns, groups, and filters. I'm going to delete these columns for the sake of the demonstration, but you're going to add case number as well as shipment number. Once you've finished adding those two columns, we're going to group by shipment created date. Just search date, then select shipment created date in the drop-down menu. Once those three are added, you want to add a filter. So select all shipments, click apply, then click where it says all time, and select a date range of current fiscal year, then select a date range of shipment created date. Now click apply. So now you're ready to generate your report. So click Save and Run. Now you'll be able to name your report. I'm going to name it Total Return Shipments for current FY. Then it's going to generate a unique report name. You just leave it how it is, or you can change it. And you also have the option to select who can view the report in your organization at the bottom here. For right now, I'm going to leave that alone and click Save. So now you've generated and saved your report. But one last thing before we're done, add chart. So now automatically select a bar graph, but I'd probably go with a line graph for this particular scenario. So just click Chart Properties, Line Graph. This is just a great option for identifying trends over time.